So how to schedule post at a time, Facebook page to Twitter? First of all, any page first connecting by Facebook page to Twitter account is the first step. You have to check the first step. Username is called facebook.com/Twitter. After checking this option, we'll go to your page, select any one video, and copy the URL, paste. Proper thing. I'm upload by video. Any other option? Just morning image. Now, so after fetching your image, I can see new feed, search. There are totally two type of schedule posts will be there. Schedule up to 6 months and backdate post when create up to page. But what are the posts you done by schedule post will be accepted by your Twitter. I'm schedule post here, will accept by your Twitter. So this will be scheduled up to your 6 months, August, September, October, November, and December. We go for January up to 7th. How many months you will schedule? Up to 6 months. Coming to back, we can any schedule will accept on time. Minimum required for 10 minutes of time. So I'm setting today date. Now will be 8/18. I'm setting for 8/19. How much require minimum for 10 minutes? So next exactly 8:30 please accept. Now click for schedule your post. Now click for schedule. Now schedule will be done by when? 8:30 a.m. Automate post where? In a Facebook page and a Twitter wall. And second thing is next any video to post on will using on backdate post. Will using on backdate post. Select. Scroll down. Share. Was that backdate? The support by how many years backdate feeding? Done. Only for this month. For the last date will be 4th. My page was created by 4th July 2019. So I'll done by post yesterday when 10th of July 2019. I do it for backdate post for yesterday. I'm doing for backdate post. Select it, schedule post. I can see when I'm posting for July 10. Now will be July 11th. I can see this one. Then when you're posting will be 20 hours back. When I'm posting when? Now I'm posting. They're doing for 20 hours back. But coming to Twitter wall, they're posting for few seconds back. Why? Because Twitter not accepting for backdate post. Twitter not accepting for backdate post. When you're uploading 17 seconds. when you are uploading for 20 hours back. You see this difference? What are the scheduled posts by your Facebook to Twitter? Scheduled post is accept. Backdate post will be not accept. Please note down.